If someone told you the path to becoming a millionaire was through vending machines, you'd probably laugh. After all, what's glamorous about soda cans and snack bags in a dusty old box sitting in a hallway? But what if I told you that vending machines generate over $30 billion a year, and the people behind them don't just make money, they print it? You've seen vending machines all your life. You probably walked past one today without even noticing. But what you didn't see was a cash flow system hiding in plain sight. This is the untold story of how vending machines became one of the most silent, profitable, and low-maintenance empires on the planet. Now here's the shocking part. Most vending machines you see don't belong to big brands. They belong to ordinary people, smart entrepreneurs who figured out a loophole in modern capitalism. They don't need a store. They don't need staff. They don't even need marketing. Just a strategic location and gravity. And the best part? Once it's running, it barely needs you at all. It's the definition of passive income. Let's break down the math. A single vending machine costs around $2,500. Monthly stocking might cost another $500 depending on product type. But here's where things get interesting. A well-placed vending machine in a gym, school, or office can make anywhere from $300 to $1,200 a month per machine. Do the math. That means if you own 10 of them, you're generating up to $10,000 a month. And the operating cost? Minimal. You don't need employees. You don't pay rent. You're not even on the clock. But this isn't new. Vending machines have existed for over 130 years. The first commercial vending machine was installed in London in the 1880s, selling postcards. By the 1950s, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Mars realized they could dominate shelf space without building new stores. Just drop a branded box in every gas station and school across America, and boom, you're in business. But the real gold rush came when private operators figured out the game. See, the vending industry is one of the few where the infrastructure already exists. All you have to do is plug into it. Most businesses, malls, schools, and hospitals don't want to run vending machines. But they're more than happy to let someone else do it, in exchange for a small location fee or revenue share. So smart entrepreneurs approach the owners, offer a 10-20% cut, and take full control of the machine. Everyone wins. But wait, the vending machine isn't just a snack dispenser. It's a mini retail store, a logistics hub, and a data terminal all in one. Today's machines are connected to the internet, track inventory in real time, accept contactless payments, and even use AI to predict product demand. In Japan, some machines even adjust prices based on temperature, time of day, or local events. That's right. The same machine that sells you cold soda at noon might push hot coffee at 9 p.m. without human input. And while you're sleeping, it's still selling. Globally, Japan leads the way with more than 4 million vending machines, or one for every 30 people. Why? Because vending machines fit into tight urban spaces. They don't need a cashier. They don't need a bathroom. They're just always open, always earning. And while American cities are catching up, the real shift is happening online. Companies are building networks of smart vending machines, using real-time analytics, dynamic pricing, and remote stock alerts. Here's something else they don't tell you. Vending machines don't just sell snacks. They sell everything. Electronics in airports, makeup at malls, CBD and supplements at gyms, even luxury goods. Some vending machines in Dubai sell gold bars. Yes, actual gold. That vending machine you walked past this morning? It could be grossing more than the corner shop next to it, with zero staff and lower rent. Let's talk margins. A bottle of soda costs about 50p wholesale. It sells for £1.50. That's a 200% markup. Chips, candy, protein bars all yield 100-300% profit margins. Multiply that across hundreds of transactions per week, and you start to understand why smart vending operators don't want you to know how the game works. But here's the dark twist big companies are starting to notice. Giants like Amazon and Walmart are experimenting with automated kiosks, locker pickups, and micro-fulfillment vending stations. If these corporations figure out how to scale vending the way they scaled e-commerce, we could see the Uberization of vending. And when that happens, small operators might get squeezed out unless they evolve. That's why today's vending machine success isn't just about placing machines. It's about owning the data, the inventory algorithm, and the customer interface. In other words, the vending machine business is becoming a tech business. And that's why the biggest vending machine billionaires aren't selling snacks. They're selling systems. Meet Michael Roney, former CEO of Bunzl, a global vending logistics empire that quietly generates $14 billion a year. Or the team behind Canteen, a company with over 200,000 vending machines across North America. These aren't hustlers on TikTok. These are corporate giants building vending supply chains so efficient they rival Amazon's. But there's still room for the underdog. Small players who play it smart, using location data, contactless tech, and cashless inventory apps, are making anywhere from $60,000 to $300,000 a year, solo. Some even franchise their models, selling courses, coaching, and kits to others who want in on the game. It's not easy, but it's simple. You scout a high-traffic location, negotiate the spot, buy a machine, stock it smart, track it remotely, repeat. One man buys from a vending machine business during his lunch breaks. Another turned a $5,000 machine into a $75,000 operation. Why? Because vending isn't about snacks. It's about leverage. Low overhead, predictable cash flow, and 24/7 operation. And when machines are earning while you sleep, scaling becomes a numbers game. More machines, more locations, more passive streams. So why haven't more people caught on? Because vending machines look boring, outdated. Low-tech. But that's the trick. The vending machine is the perfect disguise, a box that blends into the background while making serious money for the person who put it there. The real mystery? How the world let vending machines go unnoticed for so long. And while the world chases the next crypto, the next AI tool, or the next stock pick, someone is quietly collecting checks from 80 machines in parking lots, hospitals, offices, and gyms. And you'll never know their name. So next time you see a vending machine, don't see a snack box. See a profit box. Because now you know what's hiding in plain sight. If this blew your mind, wait until you see why Gucci burns luxury goods. So tap subscribe, smash that like, and comment.